Hello guys, good morning. We are approaching Alexandria, Egypt. You see there's a lot of ships here guys, waiting for their berthing schedule. And guys, our schedule is tomorrow. For now we will be drifting or maybe anchoring. That's Alexandria guys. Alexandria City, named after the great Macedonian conqueror Alexander the Great, son of King Philip of Macedon. That's it for now guys. Well, history and geography lesson.